Do you see a boat?
I see boat.
Do it, Avery. Avery. Avery.
I see boat.
Say, I see a boat, Grandpa.
I see boat.
Say, what do we do? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Who taught you how to do that? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I see a boat, Grandpa.
I see boat. We grandma.
Grandma. What did Grandma teach you?
Happy mama.
You want to get down?
Done.
Are we going to go to the park?
Da.
Can Sissy go to the park? Can I come? You want me to come?
Every
Avery's coming? Avery, you're going to the park. What is that? What is the PU? Huh?
Pink.
Pink? It's not pink. Don't touch it. What is that?
Pink.
Is that a diaper?
Dapper. Every.
Avery's diaper? Oh, 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 oh. Avery.
Dapper.
Diaper. One more time.
I see Papa.
You say, I love Grandma and Grandpa.
I see Papa.
Did you go in the water?
Huh?
With Grandpa at the lake? Water.
Daddy, water.
Daddy went in the water?
Huh?
Where do you go with Dad? What store do you go?
Water.
I went in the water? What store do you go to with Daddy?
Water.
Remember, Sissy was too small to go in the water. What store do you go with Dad?
My water.
Home Depot?
I did blue.
Who do you go with?
I did with Daddy.
Home Depot with Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you buy?
Every dad. Every.
Every Home Depot?
I did for the mama.
Do I go to Home Depot?
I do Sissy.
Did Sissy go to Home Depot?
Every dapper.
Avery's diaper? Is it stinky?
Yeah.
Can you go, pee
Pio.
you?
Happy mama.
You want to get down? You did a really good job. Can you say one more time? I see a boat.
I see Papa.
Okay.